Hey guys, it's Little Josh Minecraft, and welcome to a brand new unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, um, and it's new. I got a new piece of equipment though, and that is what I have in this box. As you know, I've been using a different lavalier mic system. I was using the Purple Panda, one that I stood behind for a few years. But this one is actually new, and you've seen me review this brand before. This was a few years ago, back in 2021. I had reviewed the Neewer LED light panels, but now they came out with a. I had to get that done. But they came out with the Neewer CM28. This is their new lav mic system. This was released in September of last year. However, I know previously they had there were other versions of this. It was the I think it was the Thallium X5 that was released prior to the CM28. But from what I've learned while waiting for this product to come in is that, well, okay, so while waiting for this product to come in, I was watching reviews from other content creators, and a lot of them love the product, and I'm kind of excited that I get to unbox this with you guys here. As you can see, I'm currently trying to unbox this myself, and I don't want to rip the packaging. But I might have, actually, wait, I have scissors here, kid scissors, but, alright, you know what, I'm ripping it, I don't care. So this is the box. Let's get right into these puppies. And if you notice that I'm not really using the mic here in this video. I'm using the I'm using my Shure SM7B microphone to be able to record audio for you guys here. But here is the box for the Neewer CM28. All right, let's push it out. Oh, no, it's not a push out. Oh, my God. All right. So, what you get in the box? You get the startup guide, the little manual, little user manual. Definitely going to need this for starting to use it. And then you get the actual case. Take a listen. And then here you have the two receivers and the two transmitters, and then the receiver. And I will definitely do a little bit of a test run of those on my phone in a little bit. And you get this neat carrying case. I love this because my LED lights, I ended up keeping the box for. But, you know, whatever. Okay, so it comes with a USB-C charging cable, USB Type-A to USB-C. More silica gel packets. Do not eat those. God. And then two dead cats. And then you get you get two of these lav mics. So I in total have four lav microphones. In total I have four of them. Now that I say that. Alright, that ended up falling. And then here is for your camera. If you have a DSLR camera or a Canon camera, you can use one of these. I know I don't have autofocus on this thing, but that's fine. And this is the USB Type-C charger. Again, USB Type-A to USB Type-C. So, for the actual setup of the microphones, here they are in the case. Let's move this box out of the way. My cats can take it. I'm glad I'm not using my phone to record this. I'd rather use my webcam because better, not necessarily. All right, so you get the two dead cats here. Now, here you have two ways of actually using the microphones. This one comes with a Lightning and USB-C adapter. It comes with two OTGs. You got a USB Type-C one. Yep, you got you have the USB Type-C one. And then test, test. All right. So you get two transmitters and then one receiver plus the two OTG adapters, one for Lightning for the older iPhones and one for USB-C for you iPhone 15 users. Anything else in the box? Nope, but I love the packaging. Neewer, definitely recommend the brand for their lights. Let's see about their microphones. All right, so this actually I would not use if you are just starting out in YouTube, especially if you don't have a camera. For me, I don't have one, so I'm probably not going to use the camera cable. It does come with another USB Type-C cable. This is a data cable. And then this one here is just your regular USB Type-C charging cable. So those I'm going to put back in the bag. And we are going to take a look at these lav mics. I do have extra wind muffs, though. I bought these a few years ago. But let's definitely, because I'm only going to be using one lav mic for this demonstration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read over the instruction booklet, and then we'll get right onto the test. Hang tight. Alrighty, I'm currently reading through the instructions, but I wanted to show you guys that these actually come with a little magnet, so you can stick onto your shirt. You also have the little belt clip to actually put those on like your shirt, like this, like so. But you know me, old-fashioned, I always like to keep the actual lav mic itself clipped onto my shirt. Alright, so let's get on to the audio test. Alrighty, so here is the audio test for the CM28 by Neewer. Now, I'm going to walk around a few to see where the audio cuts out. So, as you can see, I am outside, and it's a beautiful layout, so yeah. I'm going to insert a bit of a clap to make sure I can sync up the audio in post. There we go. Just that's so I can remember, because otherwise I'd forget. So I'm going to walk around a little bit. So give it a bit here. I'm going to walk back. Here we go. And then I'm going to walk back up. Give it a few steps here. Now that is where I'm going to check if the audio processing, the processing for the audio, if it's going to sync up to the recording or not. Because I've already had instances where the audio tends to distort my voice because of how after a while that I walk around, if I walk around a little bit here, once I start walking around, that is where I'm going to see that it is going to start distorting. But overall, I enjoy the product. I love it. It goes for, I believe, about $130 or so off of Amazon. I got it for, I believe, $132. But definitely, I would recommend this product if you're more of an outdoor channel, outdoor content creator, because that is what more so I believe that this product is marketed for. But that doesn't mean that no one else can use it. You can use it for podcasting, interviews, but if you do use it for interviews, it is ideal to do it in mono, not in stereo, because that's going to go left and right channel. So you don't want it. So if you're going to be on the left channel, your other party's going to be on the right channel. It's going to be making it a bit of a hassle to edit and sync it up in the video record or editing software. But I really do love this product because of its versatility and features that it offers. But that is pretty much what I love about this product. If I keep walking around this way, that is where it is going to cut out. So what we're going to do is head back into the studio and give you my final verdict of this product and review. Alrighty, so we're back here in the studio after being out there for the audio test for the CM28 by Neewer. My final real verdict on this product is, to be honest, to me, I would give it a 10 out of 10. However, the only thing I would wish is that the receivers were a bit bigger, not like super big, but like a little bit to where they could fit on like one's pants. Because that's what I was struggling with, because I'm wearing a pair of sweatpants, so that's why I was a bit struggling with it. However, everything else for this product, I love. But that's just the only minor complaint that I have for the product. And then overall, I really love this product because it's actually going to allow me as a content creator to not have to deal with wires all the time. Because with the purple pandas that I would use periodically, I would deal with the wires all the time because it comes with the long extension cable. And I've never wanted to really deal with it because of how long it is and how time consuming it can be to have to roll up the cable again after recording. And after each session per video, it's tiring, to be honest. So I kind of feel like this gadget actually does the job because it's going to save me from having to use so many cables just to record audio for you guys on my phone or on my computer, or even on a camera if I had a camera right now. If I had an actual camera, then yeah, it would save me a lot of time. But I love it. I will leave a link to it in the description. On the screen right now, I'll show you what the price currently is for this product. And pretty much go out and buy it. There are a few similar ones. There's the Folium, and I think that's one of them. I don't remember the other one. But I know it's Folium, Neewer, and some other brand. They all look the same. Pricing, it is a bit different. But the next one up after the Neewer would be the DJI. I do have the DJI gimbal, but I honestly could have gone with the DJI wireless lav mics, but I mean, I don't mind either. If it's Rode or DJI, doesn't really matter to me. As long as I can use it for my content, great. But overall, great product. Shout out to Neewer for honestly making great products. They've made the LED lights that I use for the videos and the live streams, but now they made a perfect lav mic set for beginner content creators just like myself and many others like you. But hopefully this video did serve as a bit of a bit of a helpful tool for you. And pretty much, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Again, link in the description for the product. as well. I believe it's at $120 or $30 on Amazon. But I'll be putting up a little picture up there on your screen in post. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys again soon.